Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Val. For those who are new in our channel, and if this is the very first video that you are watching, my name is Val. I am 31 years old this coming February. I have two kids, a mom, a wife, and I work as a full-time in a corporate world, and I also have a side hustle or side business with friends where I am earning a quarterly basis, guys. I do like share here about my personal um, finance, my personal money, about my savings, debt, and anything that helps me to grow my finances and be able to reach my financial stability. I do share my cash stuffing video, budgeting, savings update, money tips, or anything that is related to money, guys, or budgeting. And if that is something that you are interested in, please go ahead and subscribe now and like this video, guys, to be part of our community, because I'm creating a community where everyone could share about their personal finance or any tips that we all can relate to. And ngayon, guys, is ang pagtatalakay kung ano nga ba ang importansya ng emergency funds. Most of us already know and understand what is an emergency funds. But for those that first time nyo lang narinig, or siguro you want to know more about the emergency funds, what is it? So, understanding first what is an emergency funds. So, ang emergency fund, guys, it's simply that is your set aside funds in case there will be an emergency is going to happen. Like what? So, based on the experience, guys, it would be something na mawawalan ka ng work and hindi ka makakahanap agad ng replacement. Just like what happened for us during the lockdown and pandemic. Talagang marami ang naapektuhan nito. There are so many talagang trabahante ang nawala ng trabaho, and not everyone are able to stay on their feet again. So importante na kahit wala ka pang source of income, in the meantime, meron kang set aside na emergency fund para mag-cover up ng inyong monthly expenses. So that's one of the great example, guys, of a purpose of what is an emergency funds. So why do you need an emergency fund? Bakit nga ba natin kailangan ang emergency fund, guys? Well, ito ang magbibigay sa atin ng peace of mind during tough times. Instead of worrying about where to get funds in case of an emergency, we can always focus naman on finding solutions. So it's like a financial superhero ready to rescue us from unexpected challenges. So, how much to save nga ba? So ito yung commonly asked question, guys. And we have to know, or we need to know, guys, paano ba natin malalaman kung gaano karaming pera ang dapat nating ilagay or ilaan sa ating emergency fund. A good rule of thumb is to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Para ito sa mga basic needs mo tulad ng rent, bills, groceries, at iba pa. So let's say for example, yung monthly basic needs mo, it's worth 15,000, guys. So, an amounting of 15,000 ay multiply mo for 3 months. So, at least within 3 months, you have already saved up. You are like, wala ka i-worry mo na for the 3 months kasi you are covered. Okay? Mas maganda kung 6 months. But, we all know that some of us are really having a struggle to save up. So, I think you can do slowly by slowly. Just like me, guys. I wanted to save up like a total of 6 months or 3 months. So, that's will cover me 120k. But, I find it very hard to save up 120. So, I thought maybe I can goal it for 90k muna. And I'm almost there, guys. I'm almost reaching out at 90k. And once I'm able to save up the 90k, I'll move up to the next amount naman. So, yun. Where to keep your emergency fund? So, saan nga ba dapat itago ang emergency fund, guys? Mahalaga na ito ay madaling ma-access, pero hindi rin dapat gaanong madaling gastuhin. A savings account is a good option. Liquid, or you can also separate it from your everyday spending funds. So let's say for example, meron kang isang account or meron kang isang savings account that hindi mo masyadong ginagamit, then you can put it there. At kalimutan na lang na meron kang pondo doon. Kasi kapag naaalala mo na meron kang pera dyan, mas madali mo siyang makukunan. Kasi kahit hindi emergency, magagasto mo yan, di ba? Pero sa tingin ko din, hindi rin masyadong maganda na sa isa kang time lock na na savings account mo ilagay, kasi nga this is what we called emergency fund. So dapat kapag emergency, dapat madali mo siyang ma-withdraw. So I'm not highly recommending yung mga time, anong tawag doon? Yung may time savings plan. So, I'm not recommending those. I'm also not recommending to put it in your digital bank, yung mga bago ngayon na mga digital bank, kasi again, this is for emergency. Who knows what will happen to those digital bank, and if you're saving it from there, you're gonna lost everything if in case may mga yari doon, di ba? So, next question is how to start building your emergency fund. So, paano naman natin sisimulan ang pagtatayo ng ating emergency fund? Again, guys, I'm always saying this, it doesn't have to be overwhelming. You can start small, consistently setting aside a portion of your income every payday. So, kahit gaano pa kaliit yan, so let's say for example, may extra ka na 1k, you have to think of it na ilagay sa emergency funds. Kasi yun yung priority mo na i-save, diba? Emergency funds. So, let's say naman kapag meron kang pinag-ipunan na iba, 1k lang yung extra mo, then you can divide it into two. 500 goes to your emergency fund and 500 goes to whatever you are saving up for. Diba? So, it's not gonna overwhelm you, diba? So, guys, remember this, slow progress is still a progress. So, kaano man kaliit yung nilagay mo for your savings is still a progress. Mas maigi na may progreso kahit maliit, guys. At least you are doing it slowly, right? So, hindi lang ito tungkol sa pagpapatayo. Ang importante rin naman ay ang pag-maintain ng inyong emergency fund. So, it's not a one and done deal. So, regularly assess and adjust it based on changes in your life, like a salary increase or new expenses. So, for me guys, kahit pa na-achieve ko pa yung first goal to save up 60k, moving it to the 90k na naman, and then another one to that 120k, I'm always making sure na meron akong emergency funds na natatabi. Kasi, parang non-negotiable ko siya. And hindi din pwede na kapag nakapag-save ako ng 60k, tama na. Dapat continuous siyang nagsisave, continuous mong ginagawa ito. Hindi mo siya pwedeng stop kasi for me, parang lifestyle na siya eh. Kumbaga, I'm not thinking at a retirement, but who knows kung gaano kalaki yung kailangan mo for an emergency. At least may mabubunot at mabubunot talaga ako. Yan ang mahalaga sa ating topic for today, guys, ang emergency funds. Isa itong investment para sa sarili, okay? Hindi ito investment na merong return, but we call it pay yourself first kasi you are investing for yourself in the future para may peace of mind ka in case of emergency. Nagbibigay ito ng seguridad sa atin sa oras ng pangangailangan. Guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. At maraming salamat. Hopefully nagustuhan nyo yung ganitong klaseng topic. And if you have any additional questions, please let me know in the comment section. If you have any other topics that you wanted to cover us, please go ahead and comment then. I love to read all of your comments. I love to respond with your comments. And let's help to build a better community, guys, that will strive each and everyone to be financially stable. At laging tatandaan, guys, stay financially empowered and always remember it's never too late to start building your emergency fund. See you on the next one. Bye, guys.